Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have an unboxing from the Cubicle, so let's open it up. Alright, we're gonna throw this Lunar New Year thing aside. Sorry guys. Alright, so normally I get puzzles from Speedcube Shop, but for this video I got it from the Cubicle. One, because they were on sale, and two, because I just wanted to try out, see how well the shipping was, and the shipping was fantastic. The packaging was really good. It was very well packaged, so I really enjoyed this Cubicle order. Alright, so setting these aside, first you guys may be wondering why I have 6 of the same cube. This is the Meilong 3C, and it's currently on sale at the making of this video on the Cubicle. This is the Mgc 5X5, and this is the Qiyi MS magnetic Pyraminx. So this is the Meilong 3x3 3C. So let's open it all up. Alright, so here we have all 6 of the Meilong 3Cs. Now there also is just the normal Meilong 3x3 that's non-magnetic, or the magnetic one, but the 3C is the one that is said to perform better than the normal one. And the one thing that I can tell the difference is it doesn't have the plastic showing what cube it is on the front, but the 3C is said to perform better, and I want to try this out. And the big reason why I get it is because I will be using these for a lot more videos and tutorials, but I also will be using these to make force cubes. So instead of one cube like this being 6 colors, I'm going to make one cube be one color. So there'll be 6 separate cubes. There will be a red, orange, yellow, white, blue, and green, and those will be the 6 cubes. So in a couple days I'll be releasing the video of me making force cubes. So that's going to be a pretty cool video, and I hope you guys enjoy that. So let's check out the Meilong. So I'll put these 5 aside. I don't need to review each individual one, I'll just review this one. So it is pretty tight out of the box. I may need to loosen it later, and it also is very dry. As you can hear, it's very dry. Its corner cutting isn't the best, so I'll loosen it real quick. Alright, so I just loosened it, and it turns a lot better now. And even though it is non-magnetic, it still is a very good cube. So if you're a beginner, I would recommend this cube, even though it's non-magnetic. But I also would recommend the Moyu RS3M 2020, which is my main, and I'd recommend that one more because it is magnetic, even though it's about double the price. This cube is very fast, which I didn't expect much less. It has this nice frosted version, and it is very nice. And it turns very well. The corner cutting is honestly pretty good on it. Just like that. And I might make an in-depth review on this cube also. So it turns very nice, and I really enjoy it. So I really like this cube. It wouldn't be my main or anything, but I'm really glad I got this cube over like a Qiyi Warrior or something like that, because this is a very nice turning cube. For only $4, this is a very good cube. The Meilong 3C is lubed very well, and I really enjoy the turning style on this. The only thing is it does need magnets, but it is very quick, and I really do like the turning style on this. So now let's get into the next cube, but I will make a review on this Meilong 3C. Alright, so the next one we're going to review is the Qiyi MS Pyraminx, and I'm excited to get this because I do need a better Pyraminx, and I might practice Pyraminx or make more videos on Pyraminx. So let's open it up. It does have very nice packaging, as most of the Qiyi MS cubes do. This has very nice packaging like the rest of them. Alright, so let's open it up. Alright, so I got it open, and the packaging is very nice. Let's take it out. It comes with the tutorial, but I mean, I already know how to solve it, so I don't really need it. The tips are very nice. The magnetic bump on this is very strong. So that's one thing you should know, but I mean, I'm not a big Pyraminx solver. I do know how to solve it though, and the corner cutting isn't the best, but that will break in over time. But this thing turns really well. The magnetic bump is strong, but the turning is very efficient and good. So the tips have this kind of clicky feel in them, and the shades, I'd have to say, are very good. I really like the shades on this. So I'm going to be using Pyraminx more lately, and I'll be practicing some more Pyraminx, and this is a really nice budget Pyraminx. The magnets on this are really nice, and I'm pretty sure this is one of the best budget Pyraminxes, so I would recommend it to anyone out there who's looking to practice some Pyraminx. It's really nice and I really enjoy using it. It is kind of frosted. It does have a little shiny look to it, but it is frosted and it's very well lubed out of the box. I really like the magnetic bump on this, and it's a really nice Pyraminx that I really enjoy. I would definitely recommend the Qiyi MS Pyraminx, and all the links of these cubes will be in the description, by the way, but I definitely recommend the Pyraminx. That's the Qiyi MS to anyone out there who's looking to get better at Pyraminx. Alright, so the last one, which I'm most excited for, is the Mgc 5x5 right here, and I already have the Mgc 4x4 and the Mgc 6x6. Now, the 6x6 is a more bulkier one, and I don't know which the 5x5 will perform like. I hope it performs more like the 4x4 because I practice 4x4 a lot. It's my favorite event, and I'll probably be practicing 5x5 a lot more too. So the 6x6 is very quick. It's just a bigger cube and it acts more like a big cube than a smaller cube. So I'm wondering which the 5x5 will side by. So let's open it up. As usual, YJ has great packaging and I really enjoy their MGC line of packaging. And I have the reviews of both of the other cubes on my channel also, so you may want to check that out. This is the very fine MGC packaging. And I really like the 4x4 and 6x6. Both of them are my main. And the 5x5 will probably be my main too. It's one of the highest rising 5x5s out there, and a lot of people have it as their main, so I'm really curious to see how well it performs. Now, both of the other two were very dry out of the box, so I don't really expect too much of the 5x5 out of the box. Then after practice, they got a lot better. Alright, so we got that off. Now, there we go, that is very dramatic. But here we have the 5x5. Doesn't come with the cube stands. It comes with the usual box, but I already have a bunch of these, so I don't need to worry about that. Then we have the cube in the plastic wrap. Then let's get it out. This is so satisfying. There we go. Now let's see here. We have the 4, 5, and the 6. Now let's try out the 5x5. It's as usually very dry out of the box. The turning is very smooth. I didn't expect it to be as smooth as it was. I had expected it to be drier, but the turning is very smooth. Now, compared to size, the pieces feel a bit small to me because I've been using the 4x4 a lot and these pieces are bigger. Alright, so now let's try a parity algorithm to see how well it performs. The corner cutting isn't the best, but that will develop better over time, just like that. Turning is very smooth on this. I really like how the outer layers are smooth because that's one thing I noticed when I got the 4x4. The outer layers are really smooth. I really like the outer layers. The inner layers, let's see. They're a lot drier, but they are very smooth and quick. The magnetic turning is very nice. I really like how it turns because the magnetic turning is very good. Now, it tends to feel more like the 4x4 than the 6x6. Though it is a bit of a different size, it does tend to feel a lot more like the 4x4 than the 6x6, which I am glad about. Now, I'm going to do a couple solves now and see how well it works. Alright, so I just did a solve on it, and this thing performs very nice. I really like how it performs. It's only about $22. The 4x4 is about $20, and the 5x5 is about $25, which is extremely cheap compared to how flagship they are. That's the thing that I really like about YJ, because all of their cubes are really nice, and they're extremely cheap. Like, everything about it is very nice. It performs like a flagship. The box and all the packaging is flagship. Everything about it is flagship, but the price is cheap, so I really enjoy their cubes. I'll be doing more solving, and I'll make an in-depth review later for this cube. So overall, my thoughts on this cube is it performs excellent. I'd really recommend this to anyone, but make sure to stay tuned for my review in case my thoughts change or I have any suggestions about this cube, so make sure to stay tuned for my review. I will be practicing a lot of 5x5 more soon, and I'll be coming out with more tutorials on my channel, so make sure that you stay tuned for those videos also. The 4x4 and the 6x6 are also really good, and all three of these cubes are my mains, so I'd really recommend all of them. And I really enjoy the 4x4 because I've been practicing on the 4x4 a lot also, so I really recommend any of the YJ MGCs to you guys. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of all these 8 cubes, and I really hope you guys like this video. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos, and make sure to stay tuned for reviews on all these puzzles and the making of these force cubes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you all next time.